Okay guys, so as can you see, my new vending machine has nothing inside. And that's because I pour all of them in my hands. I'm gonna make them smaller because it can't fit in the small hole. By the way, if you want to get it out or in, you just do this. See this? You can just open this, just in case when you have to put or don't put something in there, because this is very useful, guys. It fell down. Kailangan pa kasi ito, gamitin sharp or hindi. Kapag ino-open mo ito, okay. Testingan ko muna. Perfect. I got it at the first try. This is too big, so let's change that.
Sige, magdula na. Sige.
We're making it smaller.
Mag-play namin. Sige, palo nga na.
I'm making it smaller, guys.
Mag-racing namin.
And I'll try this too.
Madali. Mag-racing namin. Palo nga na kay mag-racing namin. Mag-racing namin. Ha?
Fits, guys.
Pagdali kay mag-racing namin. Three.
That one's in. This is a bit too big.
Ha?
So let's make it smaller.
Unsa? Unsa? Unsay mo?
Let's try this one too.
Kay hapit na may mag-racing. Oh, napay kulang. Isa, nagdagandagan. May kulang isa, nagdagandagan. Kay mag-racing na meron. Kanira.
Perfect.
Oh, kanira. Ako sa. Kanira. O madaog ko.
So let's just try everything, I guess. And then we'll try to pick one again at the